Welcome back to our Complete Structural Engineering Beginner course. In the previous episode, we learned about supports and boundary conditions. Today, we're going to understand one of the most important concepts in structural engineering: equilibrium equations. At its core, equilibrium is a state where all the forces and moments acting on a structure are perfectly balanced. For a structure to be safe and stationary, it must satisfy equilibrium. If it doesn't, it will move or rotate, leading to catastrophic failure. Engineers use three fundamental equations to ensure this balance in two-dimensional space. First, the sum of all horizontal forces, denoted as sigma Fx, must equal 0. Second, the sum of all vertical forces, sigma Fy, must also equal 0. And finally, the sum of all moments or rotational forces about any point, sigma m, must equal 0. When we analyze a beam, we look at the external loads, the supports, and the reaction forces pushing back. By balancing these forces and moments, we can calculate exactly how much load each part of the structure can carry. Without equilibrium, every structure would collapse. It is the bedrock of structural safety. In the next episode, we'll learn how engineers isolate structures using free body diagrams.